Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with JPMorgan step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your financial information. Create a list of your monthly income sources. Include your salary, side hustles, and any other earnings. Next, track your monthly expenses. Categorize them into fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses include rent, mortgage, and utilities. Variable expenses can include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Use a budgeting tool or app from JPMorgan to streamline this process. Input your income and expenses into the tool. Next, analyze your spending patterns. Look for areas where you can cut back. Set realistic savings goals for the month. Consider using the 50/30/20 rule for guidance. Allocate 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Adjust the percentages as needed to fit your personal situation. Once your budget is set, commit to tracking your spending daily. Review your budget at the end of each month. Assess what worked and what did not. Make adjustments for the following month based on your review. Consider using JPMorgan's financial resources for further tips and strategies. Revisit your goals periodically to ensure you're on track. Stay disciplined and proactive to maintain your budget. Remember, developing a budget is an ongoing process. Keep refining it to suit your changing financial situation. With consistent effort, budgeting can lead to greater financial stability. Stay focused on your long-term financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.